Hey everyone, we're going to do a brief unboxing today of the ProMariner ProSport 20 Plus. It's a 20 amp triple bank charger for marine applications. This is the back side of it. You'll see the Designators. This is the ProSport 20 Plus, and if you zoom in just a little bit, what you'll see is this is for three 12-volt batteries, like a single 12-volt engine crank battery, and then two 12-volt trolling motor batteries like for a 24-volt application. It's three 12-volt outputs at 20 amps max, fully distributed. So, for instance, no one battery can receive more than 20 amps max, but they all could receive as much as 6.66, 6 2/3 amps at one point in time. Supposedly also, you'll see that what it will do is it will distribute evenly on the right-hand side. It could do like 9, 9, and 2. You'll also notice on the box that it's very comfortable using a charging, conditioning, and maintenance cycle, which is what I was hoping to do with it. Originally, I had planned to buy an XPS series from Bass Pro Shops, but when I found out that ProMariner does the service work for Bass Pro Shop on their XPS chargers, I just went ahead and bought a ProMariner off of Amazon. It was a little bit less expensive, although I will say that the questions that were asked on the Bass Pro Shop were exceptionally useful. Let's do a little bit of an unboxing now. Pretty much what you saw in the box is what you're going to get. Here's the actual power distribution module, and you see that there are the 12-volt connection for 110, and then the leads to the batteries. Additionally, you'll also note the owner's manual and any kind of a mail-in for warranty cards. A little bit more spread out, you see the size of this unit, and that's my hand, which is, this is probably getting to be 10 inches, maybe a foot long. And you see the three leads to go to batteries with the 110 cable. You'll also note the location for mounting screws. So if this is something that's new to you, you will definitely need to drill into your boat to mount this guy somewhere. You'll want it to be stable. Alternately, you could mount it somewhere that's going to remain stable. Also, if one of your leads for your battery is going to be long, you see that there are definitely some adapters so you can buy an extension and just simply connect those in. Hey everybody, thanks for watching the unboxing of my ProMariner 3-bank charger. Thanks.